That's what, new camera.
Wow.
That
fucking night cam.
Yeah, but it's not a night camera. That's the new. It's one of the new Foxeer ones. It's the shit SD card. Hold that. It's the CAT-2, I believe.
Drivers, start your engine!
That is up, down, left, right, guess. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Here we go. Jesus. There's one thing you can say. That Radian,
Dude, look at that.
has got plenty of power. And it looks like friggin' daylight. That is amazing, dude.
I know, right?
That is amazing.
Trying to.
People are gonna be calling the police. UFO, UFO.
Oh,
That seemed to drop quite a bit real quick.
it did. It didn't seem like a stall, but it didn't seem like a.
You'd have to really slow that down to stall it, unless it's tail heavy. What do you got in for a battery?
2200 3S like normal.
Well, that's what you're supposed to have. That balances it. It will get up and move though. It's got plenty of power.
Yeah.
Is it yours got the original motor in it?
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
I know. See, that's what happened before.
Yeah. Making me nervous.
That's why I got the screen here, John.
Yeah.
Because I lose orientation easy.
Well, I am too, because I can't tell by those lights what it's doing. I would never be able to fly it that way. I don't know how them other guys can. Unless that's, if they learned on that, I guess, you know, but.
Shit. I could even see, look right there. See that flashy light?
That is what? DeLand or something?
No, that is the radio towers up in Ormond.
Oh.
Up at LPGA.
Yeah, I was going to say near I-40. I remember those. I see those.
I mean, look at that. I mean, you can see.
It is amazing. That's us at the corner.
Yeah.
And you're going directly over the field.
Yeah. Now look at that for daytime. Did you see that for daytime?
Wow. Jesus. It is pretty with the pink. That's the sun coming up
Yeah.
in a little while.
Yeah.
You can, and the moon. Wow. The moon looks awesome, dude. Now, why is it switching?
Because I have it set to automatic. Because it's a normal color camera that can do starlight. So I have it set to automatic.
It's not a setting. When you go in there, I remember one of
Yeah, I
mine
can
that
turn it
says
off.
day or night.
Yeah, that's right.
Or auto.
Yeah, it's set
So
to
you
auto.
got it on auto.
Yeah.
No shit. That is a gorgeous view. Look at the lights on the ground. Oh. That is so freaky. absolutely, I would not be shocked if somebody called in and said there was a UFO.
Alright. Yeah, I mean, shit, dude.
You what? Just that one street light makes it ground so bright.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful setup for landing, dude. Although that's a little bit hot.
Yeah. Well, it was a little high. I don't know about hot, but I was high.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, coming in too fast because it'll slide. Didn't you put a little wheel or something on yours?
No, there's no wheel on that.
Well, it slides on the ground pretty good with a skid that's on it.
Hey.
Wow, you've been up 8 minutes?
I don't know, what's the time to say?
I don't know, it just said 8 minutes, physically said.
Well, yeah, but what's it? Do I have a timer on there? I think I've only been...
6.5.
Okay, yeah. So it takes 6.5 away from, I think it's 10.
Oh, nice approach. Very, very good job. That is amazing, dude. That is fucking amazing. Good job.
GoPro, stop recording.